Welcome to the room tour of Harmony of the Seas. I have 12 rooms I'll be going over today. I will start with the smallest to the largest. Alright, let's hop right into it. Starting with the smallest room on deck 12, room 671. This is your interior room with 149 square feet. As you can see, this is one of the smaller rooms on the ship. It does have a good amount of closet space as well still. This bed configuration is 2 twin size beds converted to be a king size. Take a quick look at the standard bathroom. As you can see, even though it's the smallest room on the ship, 2 people could comfortably fit in here. Alright, the second room is on deck 12, 670. This is the standard balcony room. The standard balcony room has 182 square feet on the inside and 50 square feet on the balcony for a total of 232 square feet. This bed happens to be in the same configuration, 2 twins to a king, as well as a sofa right here. So normally you would see beautiful water instead of the cruise terminal. We're going to head back in, then we're going to head to the next room. Same deck, room 674. Same room type, but this one is a trundle bed. So instead of having a sofa, you have a trundle bed. You can see technically this can seat 2 people, one on the top, and as you pull the second one out, the second one can fit in the bottom. It's not all the way out, it's only partially the way out. So the main bed is 2 twins. You can keep it as separated or one big king size, and then you have one top of the trundle bed and one at the bottom. So 4 people total. Next room is on deck 12, 639. It's the Central Park View balcony with 182 square feet on the inside and 52 on the balcony for a total of 234. It's a little bit more square foot as the last one. See the bathroom, it's roughly the same. You still have some closet space right here. You have the couch, the vanity area, plenty of room in this one. Configuration of this bed is the 2 twins separated instead of being one king size bed. Head to the actual balcony part, and this is where you're going to see the difference on the balcony. So you're not seeing the ocean like the previous one, but you're seeing the Central Park area of the cruise ship. So right across from you, you're going to see the other balcony rooms. And down below, you're going to see the beautiful view of Central Park. A lot of greenery, you're going to hear some nature noises, etc. Okay, next room. Deck 12, 725, you have the Boardwalk balcony view room. Still 182 square feet on the inside, 52 on the balcony for a total of 234 square feet. Pretty much everything's going to be the same, but the real difference is what you're going to see when you walk outside of the room. So you open those curtains, you're still going to see the rooms are right across from you, but you're going to be at the Boardwalk part of the ship, not the Central Park. So you could people watch from here if you're that kind of person. If you really want to get a great view of the AquaTheater from your room, stay tuned. I got something for you coming up. But I love this view of the name of the ship right here, Harmony of the Seas. Perfect. Next room, deck 14253, is an accessible room. Now I'm freeze framing this right here because I didn't actually go in, because when I caught this, I happened to be walking by the room, did not realize it was an accessible room. Otherwise I would have gone in quarter to the inside. Even from this brief view, you could see from here, you can see there is a ramp going onto the balcony area. So yes, if you're in need of a wheelchair, a cane, etc., you can easily get onto the balcony. Even from this freeze frame right here, you can see that the space is a lot more open than your standard balcony room. So it would be easier for you to get around. Typically the bathroom is going to be set up the similar way, to make it easy for you getting it out, and with railings for you to grab onto. Alright, heading to the next room, deck 12, 636. It's a junior suite room. 287 square feet on the inside, 80 square feet on the balcony. So you have room in this room. This comes with a C-class benefit, so dedicated check-in line, priority boarding, dinner at the coastal kitchen, based on availability, plush bathrobes while on board, luxury pillow tops, mattress, linen, luxury bathroom amenities, and Lava Espresso coffee machine. I'm not a coffee person, so I'm probably butchering that. Next room, deck 12, 660, is the Grand Suite. This has 371 square feet in the inside of the room, 105 square feet in the balcony. You can see how massive these rooms are. Basically 2 rooms in one. And there's a noticeable difference in the size of the balcony as well. Headed back inside, and there's a notable size difference in the bathroom too. So you have room in the bathroom. Next room is deck 1762. This is the Crown Loft Suite. And this is the first of the two bathrooms in this suite. And you turn around and wow, you have space. Because you have 554 square feet on the inside and 114 on that balcony for a grand total of 659 square feet. When you go back to the inside, you'll be able to see the difference on the inside. Look at all this space. You got a little sofa, you got a TV down here, got some storage space. And go up these stairs, and these stairs actually have a lot of room for you to step. They're not narrow at all. And when you get to the second floor, this is where your bed is at. So the bottom floor is all for just chilling out. This is where you'll sleep at. And you have a TV that pops up from the ceiling right there. You have a vanity area, even more space, and this is your second bathroom. The bottom downstairs is just a shower. This one's a shower and a tub. Next room, deck 14, room 240. This is the one bedroom owner suite, which has 566 square feet on the inside, 243 on the balcony, for a total of 799 square feet. This has tons of room. The Sky Class amenities comes with concierge service, all-day access to coastal kitchen, specialty bottled water, Zoom to fast internet seat included, flexible boarding and arrival time, priority departure, priority dining reservations, reserved seating in the entertainment venues, suite lounge access that has complimentary hors d'oeuvres and cocktails every evening, access to the suite sun deck, as well as other amenities included in the previous access level as well. As you can see, there is plenty of space in this room, whether it be in the bedroom, a huge vanity area. With a room like this, you will never feel cramped. In the balcony, you could notice the huge side difference. Not only do you have chairs on this balcony, but you have loungers, so you can actually truly relax. And you have multiple of them as well. Deck 12, 730, you have the spacious AquaTheater suite with one bedroom. See how massive this bathroom is, because there's plenty of space because you have 562 square feet on the inside. And what's absolutely insane about this room is you have 589 square feet on the balcony. So there's more room on the balcony than there is on the inside of the room, for a total of 151 square feet. So let's check out this massive balcony right here. So come out the side, and you can see is a long, thin area, and bam. Plenty of lounge space right here. Little table, turn back around, and just look at all this space. And you're about to see why they call this the AquaTheater Suite. Because why do you need a reservation at the AquaTheater show when you could just come right here, take a look down, and bam, a perfect view of the AquaTheater. And if you're having trouble to sing, they even have a pair of binoculars included in here too. So I mean, this is going to be prime time seating for this show. These rooms keep getting more and more massive. Deck 8, room 330, is another AquaTheater suite. The larger balcony and 2 bedrooms, has 823 square feet on the inside, 772 square feet on the outside, for a total of 1,595 square feet. You can see the first bedroom right here. 2 twins made out to be a king size. Behind those mirrors is a closet. There's plenty of storage space in there. Your own vanity for this room. And your bathroom as well. If you thought the last balcony was big, check this one out. As you walk to the front, you do have a little thin area right here. We'll pop on the other side and get a better view of the AquaTheater. Even from your bedroom, you can have a window view of the outside. And look at this incredible view of the AquaTheater. This one's a little more up close and personal. But you still have that pair of binoculars just in case. Alright, heading back inside, we're going to check out the second room. You have your own vanity in here, but this is where you have two twins, one on each side, and two drop-down beds that come from this thing. So these are the upper Pullmans. So you can fit up to 4 people in this second room right here. Then you're heading out to the living room area. Plenty of space, storage, closet, another vanity. Great view of the outside. We're just on the other side of this window a few moments ago. And a little dining area with a few hors d'oeuvres included as well. Alright, that was the largest room I was able to view on Harmony of the Seas. The largest room on the ship was already occupied, so maybe next time I'll get lucky and get a glimpse of that one. If you liked that video, I have plenty of other Royal Caribbean ships, as well as ship tours, so be sure to check those out to figure out which Royal Caribbean ship is for you. See y'all next time, and cruise on.